Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using these carrots that I had removed from some Dollar Tree hangers. I removed the bows, and then on the backs as well as the sides I paint them with Plaster colored chalk paint, which is by Waverly. Next I'm taking this medium crackle by Folk Art, which I got from Amazon, and I'm applying that to the top portion of the carrots. I then dry that completely. And once that's dry, I'm taking antique green acrylic paint, which is also by Folk Art, and applying that right on top of the crackle. And then I dry that, and then you'll be able to start seeing that crackle through that green color. Next, I'm using this printable I had created on the Canva app. I just used some different style orange backgrounds, and I'm applying Mod Podge to the bottom portion of the carrot, placing down the printable, smoothing that out, drying it with my heat tool. And then while it's still warm, I place down parchment paper and smooth that out, trying to get rid of any bubbles or wrinkles. I sand off the excess paper using my micro sander. Next, I add a layer of Mod Podge on top of the paper, dry that completely, and then while it's still warm, using the parchment paper again, just in case there's any more wrinkles. I do that to all three, and then add some twine right below that green. Wrap it around a few times, hot gluing it in the back. I made a knot first, and then when I trimmed that up, I added the hot glue on top of that, just so that knot didn't come apart. I made a small bow. And this carrot is a larger one, which will be going in the center, so I centered the bow, and then on the other two, those are going on either side, opposite sides on the other two. Next, I'm taking this hanger I got from Hobby Lobby, and the two smaller carrots, I'm putting those on first, and so they're raised up a little. I add some cardboard to the back of each and attach that with hot glue. And then I hot glue those to the hanger at an angle. I then add the cardboard to the third one. It's a little bit longer than the other two, and I overlap it a little on the bottom. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.